Yeah, hey, what's really good, people? Welcome back. So it's back at me. How you doing? How you been? I have this 2009 Lincoln MKZ. The door handle doesn't work. I'm gonna show you how to do this, all right? Like a pro, you need. So if you have a car, this is the first generation though, no facelift, okay? Because the first generation has a facelift, but not this one. If you have a Lincoln MKZ between 2007 and 2009, this video is for you. That's the first generation. And the other first generation with facelift is between 2010 and 2012. But if you have a Lincoln between 2007 and 2012, this video is for you. Shout outs to everybody in the building from Japan to Peru. I just want to say that I show your appreciation and return of kindness by hitting the super thanks button. There's a hero here. It looks like a heart. It says super thanks. Show your love, all right? With that being that said, let's do this. Yeah. Almost forgot all the tools that I'm gonna be using. You're gonna find it right here, right here, right here. It says view products. Click on it. You see all the tools that I'm using. I'm gonna put some extra stuff just in case you need it, like a knee pad, snacks, water, beer. Now you gotta do it right, you know what I'm saying? Eye protection, tool sets, pretty much it, yeah. Let's do it, stay tuned. All right. Your door might look like this. Okay, doesn't work at all. The buttons work though, okay, and not this. So we're gonna have to remove the door. Okay, so go with me. One little guy over here. Hits. Oh, another one over here. Alright. Okay, you see it. Now, if you come here to the bottom, you see another one over there, okay? That's pretty much it. Right there. Dang, it's a T20 for those guys, okay? T20. Gotta look like this. This right here. This one is smaller than the other one, okay? Remember that. From here, just want to remove this baby, just like this. Most definitely, disconnect this, squeeze this, pull it. So behind that thing, there's a 10mm bolt, screw, whatever. 10mm socket for that, of course. Not forget the one at the bottom, okay? Same T20. 10mm. No, that's 8mm. There we go. 8mm socket. Now you're gonna come through over here. Your lock pick or hook. Lift this, let it mat. You're gonna see that 7mm bolt. Okay, 7mm. This is what I'm using. Extension, 3/8 extension with a 7mm. Shallow. Get that. That's all, all the screws that I pull out. Now here, with a little pry bar, You're gonna put it there. Start pulling things out. Okay. There you go. It's the beast right there. Disconnect the cables. Okay, so far we disconnect this one. This one. It's just a squeeze and pull. Okay. Sorry. Squeeze and pull. And here we're gonna do the same here. Squeeze, pull it. Same here. Same here. Don't worry about the connectors where they go, because they have different shapes. Okay, different shapes and forms. Right. So, and colors. They don't have the same shape. You know what I'm saying? Maybe here on top, yeah. But what about the bottom? It's not the same. You see it? Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Squeeze this, pull it. All right. Now we put this door on the side. We'll need it here. Okay. On this one, the handle, you see that plastic? This one right here, it broke. Every time you pull the handle, nothing happens. Now let me show you a new one. You see? We're just gonna change that one. Don't worry, I'll give you the part number in a minute. So we're just gonna pop this from here. Somehow. Just like that. This thing's gonna come out. So what I did, right? This thing has like a little, you know that? Lock right there. Okay. So this plastic just broke. The new one right here. Just put this one here. First this. Push it all the way in. Go. This thing right here. That's it with this. Now we'll put everything back. Right. At the door. The door has clips. Okay. Which is fine. I guess that's the best one, because there's other doors where you have to like put it here and then bring it down. It's all good. It's all Gucci. We're gonna connect all these wires. No biggie. Hey, connect it good. This one with this one. Just like that, Gucci. This one's gonna go here. This thing's just gonna stay here. Well, I'm not gonna tie that all the way. This is Stupid wire right here. That's a good thing about the clips. This is connected. Right there. Yeah. Everything back. Okay. Get cap there for this guy. Peel this off. Itchy. 7mm there. Pull a little mat. Gucci. Ports now. Alright, part number A1702. Interior door handle. Doorman. Made in Taiwan. Shoutouts to Taiwan. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. You know where to find me. I'm clacking now. It says Axtuo. Pudum. Hey, subscribe, like, share, comment. Anything you want to say about this vehicle, this baby, put in the comment box, alright? Shout outs to everybody in the building. Time to go.